welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about this brand that I personally bought a lot of products and I was like, you know what, I have already a lot of products. I can do a full brand kind of a review sort of that is going to be super fast. So let's get started. So before starting, I do want to say this is not a sponsored video. There is one product that I did do a sponsor with the brand on my Instagram, and I want to be really transparent about it. And also I did not get any PR. All of the products I bought except the sponsor one, of course, is with my own money. I genuinely buy from the brand. And yeah, let's get started. Also, I want to say I'm not a fan of Kriti Sanon. Like, I don't hate her, I don't really love her. She is a good actress, I have seen some of her movies, but I do have to say it is one of the most affordable celebrity brands and their products just work for my skin, and that's why I keep on buying their products. Now let's get started on which one works for me and which one does not. So here is the Hyphen 44% Rice Water Brightening Serum Pads. Now this one is a product that I feel like was very innovative, something that we definitely needed in the Indian market, and especially when it comes to affordable Indian brands. This is a little bit on the higher price tag, and that's mainly because we haven't seen anything like this by any Indian brand as of now. I mean, obviously there are few indie brands that have come up with something like this, but not like the mainstream brands. This is like those Korean toner pads, and the best thing about this is the ingredients. It has such good ingredients. The only thing I would say is that I needed a little bit more serum into this one, but other than that, I love this product so much. I have been using it almost, I think it's been almost 1 or 2 months now. You can use the toner pads as like a sheet mask, and I feel like this does brighten your skin eventually and also gives you that sort of glowing skin from within. It is one of my favorite products, and this is the product that they sent me in PR, and also I did a sponsorship with Hyphen with this product on my Instagram. But I do have to say I really love this one a lot. Now, second thing I got from Hyphen, which actually was such a good buy, is this is the Hydrating Ceramide Toner Essence. This is obviously the Milky toner, and if you want me to compare this to the Fay Beauty, the Fay Beauty is a little bit light in texture. This one is like complete milk, and this is a little bit thicker as well. So this would definitely work for someone who have dry skin. I have dry skin. I loved using this during the winter season. I think I have about like this much left. I also love the packaging of the blue and light baby pink. I really love it a lot. I just think that it is such a good product, and especially when I layer it, I don't even need to go in with a hydrating serum. Sometimes now in winter, I mean now in summers, maybe I'll switch it up with my other lightweight toners, but for my dry skin, oh my god, I love this so much. And I like to use this especially in my nighttime skincare routine when I just want to glow and, you know, keep my skin super hydrated. This is the one that I go for. It is very similar to all the Korean toners out there, the Milky hydrating toner. Yeah, it is very similar to that, and it does have ceramide in here as well. So the next thing that I have to talk about is this is the Power Peptide Cocktail Serum. Now this one, I have to tell you guys, I only got this because of the packaging. I love the blue serum so much, and I love the purple packaging. I was like, oh my god, this looks so cute. I really want to get it, so I got it. And I do have to say I like this. It's not something that I'm like, oh wow, I cannot live without it. It's not something like that. Once I run out of it, I will have to see if, you know, my skin needs it, or if I'm like, you know, I miss that product. Once you run out of something, you are like, yeah, I miss that product, I need it. So yeah, right now I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase, but yeah, I do really like how it kind of hydrates my skin, but also at the same time it is very water consistency. And I have noticed after using this a couple of, you know, times regularly, you do see that hydration. And if you are someone who have dry skin, or again, even if you have oily skin, I still feel like you are going to like this. I love the consistency of this. I love that this did not irritate my skin at all, and it goes well with all other skincare too. But again, I'm not sure if I'm going to repurchase this. This is in my maybe collection. Another thing that I know I'm 100% going to repurchase, but it is going to take me a time, you know, a while for me to repurchase this, because this is a product I use only once a week. This is a chemical exfoliator, and it is super strong. I do have to say that. So if you have sensitive skin, I would not use it. So this is the Resurfacing 10% AHA, BHA and PHA exfoliator. So it has AHA, BHA and PHA. So it is a very, very, very good combination. If you are someone who have a little bit of those texture that does not go away, you know, textured skin is harder to deal with than acne. I feel like, you know, a little bit of acne flare up, it kind of goes away after a while, but textured skin, I have struggled with textured skin. The small tiny bumps, oh my god, it's the hardest. And right now I do have dark spots, but I do not have texture on my skin at the moment. You know, so this is something that I only apply where I have a little bit of texture or acne, and then the next day I significantly see a reduction in the texture. Like significantly, it helps me to really exfoliate my skin. But again, if you have sensitive skin, do not use this, or maybe if you want to use this, just keep it on for 5 minutes and wash it off. It is a serum, but if you have sensitive skin, just use it like you know, mask. So yeah, I would suggest that. This is again a very, very good product. I'm surely going to repurchase this. Yeah. Another product that did not work out for me, I'm not sure about the formulation because I haven't used this enough. So this is the Pigmentation Corrector Daily Cream. So this cream I feel like is good consistency, right? I mean, the consistency is good, it's hydrating, all of that. The one thing that I do not like about this is the packaging. Like I pump it, it does not come out. So for that, I feel like every time I go to, you know, reach to do my skincare, I do not reach for this product because of the packaging. Maybe I am the one who got a dud product. I'm not sure, but this is supposed to even out your skin tone, work for your pigmentation, all of that. So this has kojic acid, glycolic acid, licorice root extract, ceramide. So yeah, all of those ingredients sounds really good. And I was like, you know what? I really want even skin tone this time. So I'm going to try out a cream that I can use on a daily basis that has all these amazing ingredients. But again, I'm like, if they change the packaging to something else, I will buy it. Right now, I do not like the packaging of this, or maybe I am the one who did not get a good product. Next thing I do have to say, I would recommend, but there is a condition to this. So this is the Hyphen Vitamin Infused Peptide Dewy Prep. Now this one is a dewy prep, so it's supposed to be like a very nice hydrator for your skin. This is good, but only for makeup. Like I personally like it only for makeup. Look at the packaging. I mean, I have been using this a lot. So what this does is that it's really hydrates your skin and kind of preps it for foundation or for makeup. This has tiny bit of shimmers to it. I mean, if you really look closely, then only you can see the micro shimmers in it. I don't know why they gave micro shimmers, because if they didn't give the micro shimmers, I would honestly use it as a primer, and even in my skincare routine, just using it to hydrate my skin, you know. So yeah, I don't know why they kind of gave shimmer to this, because that was not necessary. Trust me, this is super hydrating. This is going to give you a glowy skin. Without the shimmers also, they could have done it, but yeah, since this has shimmers, I only use it as a makeup prepping step or a makeup primer, and it actually makes my foundation glides on so smoothly like butter. That's why I love it as a makeup primer, and that's how I will be using it. I do have to say that please check all the ingredients before buying anything. I think most of Hyphen products does not contain fragrance. Yeah, and that's why I like it, because sometimes strong fragrance can irritate my skin. But anyway, let's move on to the next product, which is my favorite again. This is the Ceramide Rich Pillow Cream. And when they say pillow cream, it actually is such a good consistency. It kind of just melts into your skin, gives you that glow from within, and also is super hydrating. The best thing I like about this is that this has 10% hard leaf extract, which is something that we see in a lot of Korean skincare. I am someone, I love Korean skincare a lot, and I am super happy to see Hyphen coming up with ingredients that is you know, a little bit on those lines, you know, Korean skincare line, and it is affordable too. So I would suggest you go for something like this if you have dry skin. I did really enjoy this moisturizer. Summer is coming, so I'm not sure if I will continue to enjoy this moisturizer. Let's see how my skin reacts to this moisturizer during summer. But I do have to say, I did not get any breakouts from using any of these products. That is for sure one of the best things. But yeah, there are some hits and misses, of course. Anyway, coming to the sunscreen, they have a lot of sunscreens. So I have 3 sunscreens. So one, I have already finished it up, and these are the sunscreens. So this is the blue one, which was the Sun Milk 100% mineral sunscreen. Now, maybe it's just me, I don't like the feel of mineral sunscreen. It's better than most mineral sunscreens, but it's not for me. I mean, I like it if there wasn't any options for me, other options for me to choose from. But I have a lot of sunscreens, and I only go for something that I feel very, very comfortable in. I like the consistency of this sunscreen, because they are a mix between toner and sort of like a milky toner, and that's why I love it. The consistency is very good. Can you hear the sound of that? So it's like, it has that sort of very liquidy texture, which is what I love about this. But I don't like the silky sort of texture of this Sun Milk, the blue one. But my favorite, you can see I've already repurchased. This is the Ultra Light Water Sunscreen. Now this one is like invisible on your skin, like actually invisible. It is not hydrating, no. It is not greasy, no. It is nothing. It is like nothing on your skin. When you apply this, you feel like, okay, this is maybe going to give you a little bit of hydration, but it does not, which is great, because I don't sometimes want my foundation to give me hydration. I just want it to be like nothing on the screen, and it's exactly that. So yeah, if you're thinking that this is going to give you hydration or something like that, especially if you have dry skin, always use a moisturizer underneath this, because this is good. But obviously it's not meant to hydrate and then give you sun protection. Also, it's just a good, very, very, very good sunscreen. The last thing that I don't have right now with me, because I've already finished it up, and I forgot to repurchase also, because that was something that I used to use during the winter time, and that is the sunscreen that they have. It's in this color only, but it's in a kind of wait, let me show you. Yeah, this kind of packaging, but this color. So that is, I think it was like ultra hydrating sunscreen or something like that. When I used that sunscreen, I did not use any moisturizer. You don't need to use any moisturizer. This sunscreen, by the way, does not peel. Like, I have used so much of skincare today. The toner, the exfoliator, the peptide serum, and you can see it does not peel at all. So their sunscreen do not peel, which is a great thing. Even the mineral one, you can see like it's not peeling. Just like doing this, rubbing my face, but it's not peeling, so it's good. It does not irritate my eyes, again, a very good thing. So yeah, the ultra hydrating sunscreen is very good. If you want something like a moisturizer and sunscreen in one, then go for that. But during summers, I don't think so that is going to be a necessity, because it's going to be so hot in summers, hot and humid, that I think that might be a little bit too heavy. That was a sunscreen that I used in the winter, and I finished it up. So yeah, that was really, really good for winters. And obviously during the 2025 winter season, I'm definitely going to repurchase that one. But if I have to select my top three, I would say this one, the toner, which, oh my god, which I love. I have to say the sunscreen also, and I have to choose four, because these two also I like. So yeah, these four are my absolute top favorites. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I do have to say the links that I have provided below are affiliate links, which means that I do earn a teeny tiny commission every time you shop from them, but this is not a paid promotion. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.